We'll guide you through what to do if your Hisense TV won't turn on or power on. If you find this useful and it solves your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying as you're then unable to go and use your Hisense TV, perhaps trying to go and play a game, do something else, it doesn't matter. We're going to guide you through some different fixes we can try. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't go and skip ahead, otherwise you may go and miss an important part of this video. Without any other further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you want to just go to the back of the TV, and if at the moment you've got any devices connected like HDMIs for consoles and things like that, unplug them just in case there's a problem with that which can go and cause it not to go and turn on. So basically unplug everything except the power cable. Go and try turning it on and see if that works. Hopefully it does. Now if it still doesn't, the next thing I'm going to do is we're actually going to leave the remote for now in case there's a problem with that. You want to come onto the TV itself and start running your hand at the bottom like so. And you want to go and see if you can go and find the power button. Majority of TVs are going to go and have one, and this one probably will as well. So what you want to do is locate it. So in this case, the button is just up to the left of it. If you're struggling to go and find it, you can actually go and just push your TV on its side and go and look under it. And then you want to try pressing the button just in case there's a problem with the remote. So go and press it and go and see if it goes and turns on. If it does, that indicates there's a problem with the remote. Perhaps it goes and needs some new batteries, or there's another problem with it. But hopefully changing the batteries, which you can by going to the back, you remove that back cover and you can go and replace them. And then hopefully it'll go and start working. Now, if you still won't turn on or power on, go to the power outlet where it's plugged in. Here you can see it is. What you want to do is you want to go and switch it off. And then you want to go and unplug it like so. Come back to the TV and we need to go and find the button again for it. So in this case, I found it just to the left here. And now you want to go and tap and hold it for 30 seconds. So keep it held down. Once that time passes, let go of it. Now, what you want to do is come back to the power outlet, plug it back in and turn it on. Now let's return to the TV. Then you can try just pressing the button. And hopefully now it will go and turn on. If it doesn't, just try pressing it multiple times. And you can even try holding it down for a couple seconds and then hopefully it will go and turn on, as you can see. Hopefully you've managed to solve it and you can try using the remote and hopefully that's working. As I said, that may just need some new battery to go and start working. If it still remains black, what I recommend you do is you go and turn it off at the wall and just leave it off for a couple minutes. You can still hold down the button for 30 seconds and then try again and hopefully it will then work. Leave a like if you found this useful.